Khor Park in Khor, Qatar. Around 48 kilometers from Doha is the family-friendly Khor Park. It is one of the oldest family parks in Qatar, and although there is a minimal entrance fee, it is worth it since the spacious and renovated park offers a lot of entertainment and activities for families. Khor Park now has so much more to offer since its recent Qatar 250 million renovations. With its skating rink, children's playground, railroad tour train and zoo sanctuary, you'll struggle to cram it all in if you're only there for the afternoon, but if you've got time to spare, you're in for a real treat. Looking at some of the park's animals is a good place to start, with ostriches, oryx and zebra to name but a few. The aviary is also extremely impressive, with colourful parrots and tropical birds being a consistently popular attraction. If wildlife isn't your thing, why not try your hand at miniature golf? Or if it's a little too hot to stay outside, you can beat the heat by heading indoors to the museum. One thing's for certain, with so much on offer, you'll be more than willing to pay the Qatar 5 entrance fee. Khor Park, which features world-class tourism amenities, has a strong potential to draw many visitors to the northern part of Qatar, it is learnt. The park, spread over 240,000 sqm, is due to reopen in August, pending safety measures being reviewed by the Public Gardens Department at the Ministry of Municipality and Urban Planning, MMUP. One section of the park features a spacious restaurant, mosque, museum, mini golf area, wall mural, skating area, children's play area, basketball court, food kiosks, drinking fountain, and an amphitheater. A mini train, complete with a railway station, will be available to visitors who wish to tour the entire park. The renovation and expansion of the park cost around Qr 250 mn, a source said. The other section of the park, which features a mini zoo or animal farm, animal display area, and a large aviary, is undergoing construction adjustments to fit the requirements of the animals to be housed there. Other than these three areas, the rest of attractions in the park are ready. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.